TONEX versus Kemper, which guitar profiler is better, explores how choosing the right guitar profiler can transform your tone without complicated setups. TONEX offers AI-driven amp modeling, while Kemper delivers hardware precision and versatility. TONEX and Kemper are leading guitar profilers but differ fundamentally. TONEX is a software-based AI profiler focusing on realistic amp and effects modeling. Kemper is a dedicated hardware unit known for capturing and reproducing exact amp profiles with hands-on control. TONEX is an AI-powered guitar amp and effects profiler developed by IK Multimedia. It uses deep learning to analyze and replicate the sound of real amplifiers and pedals with high accuracy. As software, TONEX runs on your computer or compatible devices, integrating seamlessly with your digital audio workstation or live setup. Its strengths lie in its flexibility and affordability, no need for physical hardware, and it offers a vast library of amp models and effects that update regularly. TONEX excels for players who want detailed tone shaping with minimal gear and appreciate AI-driven sound refinement. However, being software only, it depends on your computer's processing power and may introduce latency in live scenarios. Also, it lacks the tactile feel of hardware controls. Ideal users are home studio musicians and producers seeking diverse tones without investing in expensive physical profilers or amplifiers. TONEX makes professional amp profiling accessible with a user-friendly interface and constant AI improvement. Kemper Profiler is a hardware guitar profiler renowned for its precise capture and reproduction of amplifier tones. It works by physically profiling amps, capturing their unique sonic fingerprint into a dedicated unit. The Kemper offers extensive hands-on controls, including EQ, effects, and routing options, all accessible via its intuitive interface and foot controller compatibility. Its strengths include rock-solid reliability on stage, zero latency, and a vast community sharing profiles. The hardware design appeals to players who want immediate tactile access and consistent tone regardless of environment. Limitations include a higher price point and less flexibility compared to software solutions. Upgrading or expanding requires additional hardware. Also, the Kemper's learning curve can be steep for beginners. The ideal user is a touring musician or professional who demands consistent, high-quality amp sounds live and in the studio, with direct control and minimal setup time. Kemper remains a benchmark for hardware profiling, combining authenticity with rugged performance. Comparing TONEX and Kemper highlights key trade-offs. TONEX offers unmatched flexibility as software, allowing easy updates, integration with DAWs, and AI-driven tone refinement. It suits studio users who prioritize variety and affordability, but may struggle with latency live. Kemper's hardware delivers instant tactile control and zero latency, making it ideal for live performers needing reliable, consistent tones. While TONEX excels in accessibility and evolving AI tech, Kemper shines in authenticity and stage readiness. TONEX's dependency on computer power contrasts with Kemper's standalone robustness. Budget-wise, TONEX is more accessible, whereas Kemper is an investment for professionals. Both platforms have extensive tone libraries, but Kemper's user community and physical interface create a different experience. Choosing between them depends on whether you value software convenience and AI innovation or hardware reliability and hands-on control. Choose TONEX if you want affordable, AI-enhanced amp profiling with software flexibility, perfect for home studios and producers seeking diverse, evolving tones. Opt for Kemper if you need a rugged hardware profiler with instant control and zero latency for live performance or professional studio use. Both excel in their domains, so match your choice to your setup and priorities for the best guitar tone experience.